Open your Bend Genie software and navigate to the Common Handrail Templates under the Genie Templates tab. Find a template you would like to use and click Export to Editor. Now we can see our chosen template in the Bend editor, where we can observe and edit all 4 bends. Let's make an adjustment to bend 3 by changing the straight length from 102 inches to 105 inches. Once completed, navigate to the Import-Export dropdown and select Import-Export. Choose your file type. For this example, we will export it as a step file. Click Export Step, and the part will be saved to your Downloads folder. Let's test the file by clearing our workspace. To import it, navigate back to the Import-Export tab and select Import-Export. Choose CAD Import and locate the file you just saved. Click Import, then click Done once the software confirms the file has successfully imported. We are all finished. Bend Genie supports multiple file formats, including STEP, IGES, DXF, STL, and more. Thank you for watching.